Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you very delicious, super easy, super amazing and easy to make prawns curry recipe. As you all can see, it looks so yum and delicious and it is even more tastier than it looks. So let's get started with the recipe. Do give it a try guys. It tastes so yum with paratha or roti. Heat a pot on the stove and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. As the oil gets heated, add in 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Add 4 to 5 split green chilies and also add few curry leaves. Allow them to splutter for about a minute. Now add in half teaspoon of red chili flakes and give them all a good mix. Now add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it for about a minute on high flame. After frying it for about a minute, add in 1 cup of sliced onions and saute them on medium flame until they turn light golden brown in color. Meanwhile, you can clean prawns. So here you can see I have taken 700 grams of prawns and I have cleaned and washed them well. Now put it aside, and here you can see the onions are also done. Now add in salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give all ingredients a good mix and cook all the spices until their raw flavor gets vanished. Now top it with some chopped coriander leaves and finally add cleaned prawns into it. This recipe is just so simple guys. You need not add any more ingredients. Just caramelize the onions and then add the prawns. Give them all a good mix on high flame and cook this way by constant stirring on high flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can add water. So here I'm adding in 1 whole cup of water into it. Give it a final mix and cover it and cook on low flame until the prawns get cooked well. It takes even 8 minutes or even 10 minutes. So here you can see after about 8 to 10 minutes the whole curry is done and you can see the prawns are also cooked well. Now top it with some fish masala and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it finally a good mix and this delicious and super easy to make prawns curry is ready to be served. Serve it hot with rice, roti or paratha or naan. This goes superb with rice, roti or even paratha. This recipe is so easy to make guys. Now the next time you bring prawns at your home, do try this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such amazing recipes. How did you find this recipe? Let me know in the comment section below. And this recipe is not so very difficult to prepare guys. You can even prepare it in your small parties or functions. This is going to be super amazing and super delicious. Now let me know how did you find my recipe and with what more recipes you want from me in the comment section below. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.